Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Welcome Coder to this ongoing series of Python. We are going to cover all the minute details in this series, including some important libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Flask, so that after completing this series, you can choose to learn and work any of the streams like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and web development too. We are going to cover those also in this channel with different series. Python is a very easy and versatile language, and it's the most loved language in the recent time. So it's a good decision that you start your coding journey with Python. The good news is that we do not have any prerequisite for this series, as we are going to cover everything from ground level and build on it, so that you become from beginner to pro in the programming world. The only prerequisite is your time and you practice coding with me. Then I can guarantee you will become a proficient expert in Python and you will be ready for real life projects and interviews. Now, after covering the basic of with the first basic of Python with first 15 to 20 videos, we'll start building our knowledge and strengthen our concept with different projects and hands-on. The first 3 to 4 videos will cover up a few theories and steps to set up Python, virtual environment, and also different ID in your system and Jupyter Notebook, so that you can practice the coding in ease. Now, our video duration is on average 30 minutes, which is little higher inside, side that we know. But there is a reason for it. That is only because we do not want to leave any stone untouched. So the series will be one independent Python tutorial that will cover all the required ground for real life programming work. If you are new in this channel and not subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, as I upload new videos and content every week, and you will not miss any important new videos and content which will help you in your programming journey. Again, a very warm welcome to this channel and this Python series. See you to the next video.